When we use the semi-automatic terminal machine, some common faults may occur when the operator did not adjust the crimping height, directly stepped on the foot pedal, and then the blade of the crimping mode stuck. How to solve this situation? Today BetaTech teaches you to solve the problem of blade jamming, and not show you the jammed situation again. Immediately after the jam machine, turn off the machine and turn it on again. Quickly change the machine from automatic mode to manual mode. Look at the speed shown here, and press the speed button to adjust the speed to 65. If your speed is 35 or 50, let's go higher. Press the pressure button to increase the pressure a bit. We'll set it to 35. Click on the speed button again up or down as appropriate to bring the blade up. This crimping blade up, we have to adjust back to the original number 12 to prevent the crimp mode blade crushed. Because the previous speed is too fast, too much pressure, we have just demonstrated is by adjusting the power of the terminal crimping machine to solve the blade jammed and then up. After the terminal crimping machine, use a wrench to solve the problem manually. In the back of the terminal machine, you can observe a shaft lift lever. Put a wrench on it and twist it to the upper left. First of all, we long press the continuous crimping button. We need to check whether the parameters have been modified. If the display is 0, we press enter 1, and then continuously press the speed button below until the counter shows the number. The problem is solved. If the problem is still not solved, it may be the sensor of the terminal crimping machine is bad. Then how to determine the state of the sensor is good or bad? You can use an iron screwdriver. Iron touching the inductor next to observe the indicator next to the light. If the light is on, the sensor is not the problem. If the light is not on, the sensor is not sensitive and needs to be replaced in time. BetaTech is a terminal crimping machine manufacturer. We often export to various countries. If the first two methods have been checked and there is no problem, it may be that the wiring connection is loose due to the bumpy transportation by the courier company on the way of shipment. Follow our steps to check the wire line together. First, turn off the machine and then open the machine shell. When checking the line, be sure to first observe that the indicator light is not lit at all. Because there is residual power in the inverter, observe the top side of the semi-automatic crimping machine. These places have 4 screws. Remove the screws, hold the shell and slide it forward to open the cover easily. Observe the wire connector for any looseness and insert it tightly into the connection.